Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to make command prompt transparent in Windows 10 PC. So friends, to make transparent command prompt, firstly click on start, then type CMD. Now right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Now right click on top bar and click on properties. Now friends, in here click on color. So friends, you will see opacity. So to make transparent, decrease opacity. Like this. So that's it friends. By this very easy and simple method, we can make CMD as transparent in Windows 10 PC. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more useful videos.